there. Hope you guys Friday is going well. Let's get into it. Daily time frame. So, a lot of volatility. Big green candlestick on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Well, that's Thursday. This is Monday. But we had a big drop yesterday. So a lot of volatility, still range bound between that bottom range at 6,780, which were just above that. We ended yesterday just above that, $100 above that. And our top range of about $7,002. We want to see, we'll be okay with this bouncing and then heading back up. But it looks like in general, as far as the daily time frame, we're just range bound. It's just a sideways trend right now. So instead of my predicted market pullback right now that would be happening in this first 3 to 4 months of the year, which has happened in the past 3 years, we're just going in a very volatile, very unpredictable sideways trend. Somewhat predictable because we can see it happening on the chart. This is why you should use chart analysis to give you an idea of where the market is going and not just news networks that get you all emotional. But let's take a look at a 30-minute time frame and see if we can get things situated, get a little bit more detail about this trend and where we may be going for the day. Big drop yesterday at the 11 o'clock hour. That has to be institutional investors. All right, so what we are seeing right now as far as the 30-minute time frame is we have a bunch of higher or lower highs. There's a high, there's a lower high, and here's the most recent lower high, and then we have 2 lower lows. So right now we're basically in a downtrend as far as the 30-minute time frame. We're going to see if we're going to bounce off this lower bound on the day. The lowest point we hit yesterday was $6,824, and hopefully we see a rebound from this and we stay range bound. If not, if we start going into that pullback that I predicted last year that happens the first 3 or 4 months, it wouldn't be unexpected. We would be prepared for it, and all we will be doing is averaging down, not getting in our emotions, not closing out our positions, not looking for those short-term gains unless you're a day trader or a swing trader, and waiting for the recovery. Because in the long-term view, these stocks, the S&P, all these indexes, they gain. Let's go